just today, how you feeling?
I'm feeling great.
Oh, alright, you're nothing serious, nothing too, isn't me? So, we'll just go straight night checks tonight. I can see where I work with yourself.
What?
Ooh, girl, your pum pum off flick. Ooh, girl, your pum pum off flick. Ooh, girl, you good on, girl, you good on off flick.
What?
Jesus Christ, we say your front good, it smell good, it fat, it look good. Jesus Christ, you not understand not. A1 fabulous pum pum as you can articulate scrutinize young miss. It smell good, it fat, it every single thing you want, it come like him. Jesus Christ, too much buff. No man, look at that.
What are you out of that?
License registered, everything. Working hours are from 4 to 3. If you look for a man to bend up a bumbo now, I'm your guy. Right, so I can give you a link. I come stop it out. So my number, yeah? No man.